Hi everyone, I am Vadaikan from Electromechanics, and in previous video I will show the download and installation of Arduino IDE in Windows 10. If you cannot watch that video, click the top I button and watch the video. Coming to this video, I will show that Arduino first basic tutorial. The name of the tutorial is Blinking LED. Do you want to learn the basics of Arduino? I create the playlist from basic tutorial. You can find the playlist link in the description. I hope this video will be insightful. Hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Without waste of time, let's get into this video.